Hey everyone, today let's talk about an interesting feature on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6 that can make typing easier, slow keys. Let me show you what it does and how to enable it. To adjust the slow keys feature, go to Settings. Tap on Accessibility. Then, tap on Interactions and Dexterity. Scroll down and select Mouse and Physical Keyboard. Here, you'll see the Slow Keys option. Toggle it on or off as needed. Once you enable it, you can adjust the delay time to make it more comfortable for your typing speed. This small tweak can help reduce mistakes and make your typing more accurate. Slow keys is a simple accessibility feature designed to help prevent accidental keystrokes. When it's enabled, the phone will only register a key press if you hold it down long enough. This can be a lifesaver if you tend to hit keys by mistake while typing. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Galaxy Z Flip 6 tips.